Users are the people in your organisation who will be using Tidy. In this module, learn how to set up their accounts, logins and permissions. Also learn about different user roles and how to act on behalf of other users. To add a new user, head to the Global Settings tab and click on Users. Select New User over here. Starting with the login ID, enter the user's email that they will log in with. Then add a default password. They will be able to change this later. Next is the personal details. Enter the user's first and last name, then select what department they're in, and enter their contact email. After this, you'll need to select the user's roles. This will determine what permissions that they will have in Tidy, as well as what tabs and features they can view or edit. Let's give her permissions as an invoicer, purchaser and salesperson. Then you save and the user is all set up. Something else you can do with the user settings is actions on behalf. This is when one user can impersonate or act on behalf of someone else. So if we go into Edit Ali Admin and click on the Actions on Behalf tab, I can select other users for Ali to log in as. Let's select Stella Sales and Whitney Warehouse. Once you save this, you can see that there is now a switch icon at the top by my username. Click on it and you can switch to act as another user. I've switched to Stella Sales so you can see that my screen now looks different due to Stella's different permissions.